Hello students, in previous classes I have taught you about the nutrition in single-celled organism amoeba. It was also holistic nutrition, and now I will teach you about the human digestive system. See, human beings are complex animals, they are multicellular animals, so their digestive system is also complex. What is in human digestive system we are going to see. The human digestive system of humans is composed of an alimentary canal and some accessory digestive gland associated with alimentary canal. So what's in alimentary canal? Alimentary canal constitute of mouth, esophagus or food pipe. Esophagus is the food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. And the main associated digestive glands are salivary glands, gastric glands, liver and pancreas. So the first step of any holozoic nutrition is ingestion or taking in food. So the food is taken in mouth. So mouth constitutes of our lips, tongue, four types of teeth. I will explain you it by diagram. And associated salivary glands. Let's see the buccal cavity or oral cavity of human. I will explain you by figure. See, it is the buccal cavity of humans. See, it is lips, lining of lips, gingiva or gums. Our teeth are surrounded by gums. It is also called gingiva. The upper palate is called beneath our teeth is called hard palate, and the lower palate is called soft palate. These are tongue. What is the use of tongue? Tongue is a muscular organ which has a sense receptors which help in tasting of food, plus it helps in swallowing of food. By rolling over the food, it helps in swallowing of food. It also helps in tasting of food. This is the use of tongue. Now, what are the use of teeth? There are 4 sets of teeth in an adult human being. 32 teeth there are present. There are 4 types. Number 1, incisor. The first 4 front teeth. The first 4 front teeth which help us in for cutting of our food are called incisor. Second are canine. The fifth pointed teeth. Beside our incisor teeth is called canine. Canine is a pointed teeth. See, these are canines along with incisor which help in tearing and breaking of hard substances. Now, in the side of incisor, the broad teeth, the first 2 broad teeth are called premolars. They help in coarse grinding of food. Coarse or a rough grinding of food. They not grind food very fine, but help in the rough grinding of food. And the last sets of teeth are called molars. They help in fine grinding of teeth. They grind our food into very fine particles. Now see its buccal cavity. These are the uses of teeth. I have explained you by diagram. Now see the steps that is happening in digestion process in our mouth. Mouth intake of whole food. In our mouth intake of whole food, teeth, chewing plus grinding of food is taking place. In tongue, rolling of food plus tasting of food. And the salivary glands, which are also present in our buccal cavity, helps in swallowing of food plus pushing of food into the esophagus or food pipe. Salivary glands secrete saliva plus mucus. Now what is the use of saliva plus mucus? Saliva is very important in swallowing of food because saliva contains a enzyme salivary amylase or ptyalin. It is also called ptyalin or salivary amylase, which is present in saliva, which helps in breakdown of starch into simple sugar, sucrose. So it helps in breakdown of complex material into a simpler substances.